The side effects of acai berry diet aids. Asking, are there any side effects from acai berries, is a little like asking if there are side effects to eating blackberries. The acai berry is a very nutritious fruit. The local Amazonian Indians that harvest the acai berry in the rainforests of Brazil consume a lot of it. Some reports show as much as 42% of their nutritional intake consists of raw acai berries. People with pollen allergies may find that their condition is aggravated somewhat by acai berries. The number of reports has been very small and the symptoms have been minor. But this is something that should be noted. As always, if you're unsure about your reaction to acai berry, then talk to a medical doctor or nutritionist. If you are allergic to berries, you would be in a high-risk category. But for most of us, this is not a concern. People on medications for problems such as high blood pressure are sometimes concerned about possible interactions with acai berry supplements with their medication. So far, there are no known drug interactions to 100% pure acai berry. In addition, there are no known effects on pregnancy. People taking acai berry supplements usually take between 1,000 and 4,000 milligrams, depending on the potency of their diet aid. This is a small dose when compared to the consumption of acai berry by the Indians of the Amazon rainforest. They have been researched and recorded for decades without any signs of a negative reaction. The conclusion from the studies on the local population is that there are no known side effects from the acai berry or from the diet aids and juice of the acai berry. If you have some underlying health problems and are concerned about possible drug interactions of the acai berry product, daily intake to less than 4,000 milligrams of supplement or 4 ounces of puree, and always tell your doctor or healthcare provider. The acai berry diet aid is a metabolism booster and a food supplement. If you are seeking to use this diet aid to lose weight, consider using Slim Diet Secrets as well. Coupling the acai berry and diet aids with Slim Diet Secrets will help you to attain your ideal body weight a little easier and maybe a little quicker. With Slim Diet Secrets, I've already lost 4 inches in the waist and I have no formal exercise program other than walking my dog. I eat anything I want, when I want. And no, I don't use acai berry diet aids to do it. Slim Diet Secrets coupled with acai berry forms the foundation that you need to attain the ideal body weight specific to you. Not everyone is the same. Slim Diet Secrets is based in nutritional science and for me, an amazing epiphany once I got it. Lose weight on autopilot now by clicking on Lose Weight on Autopilot Now at the bottom of this article or in this YouTube video description. The side effects of acai berry diet aid.